It's time for more tropical treats from the Velveteen room. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, where we're back in the Velveteen room with tropical treats that are frankly fancy, including shrimp luau from 1959's Betty Crocker's Frankly Fancy Foods recipe book. Betty Crocker's beverages may have been frankly fancy, but they're distinctly lacking hooch, so we're turning to 1970's Hawaii Kai cookbook for today's lovely libation, the King Kamehameha. To make this heavenly nectar, all you do is blend 1 ounce of passion fruit nectar, 1 ounce pineapple juice, a 1/4 ounce triple sec, 3/4 of an ounce gin, and 3/4 of an ounce brandy with 1/4 cup crushed ice. Garnish with an orange slice and a cherry. Time to get fancy! Shrimp luau isn't difficult to make, but it does take some time, so don't save it for the last minute. Begin by marinating 2 pounds of peeled, deveined shrimp in 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon ginger, and 1 teaspoon curry powder in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours. After it's done marinating, combine 3 cups flour, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2½ cups milk, and yellow food color. Dredge shrimp in flour, then the batter, then shredded coconut, and deep fry at 375 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes. Betty Crocker suggests serving them with her Chinese mustard sauce or soya sauce. To make the Chinese mustard sauce, all you do is combine 2 tablespoons dry mustard, 6 tablespoons boiling water, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons vegetable oil. To make the soya sauce, all you do is combine 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 clove crushed garlic, 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1/4 cup soy sauce. Wow, that is fancy! Thanks, Betty Crocker! And thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons. Be sure to join us Monday for a visit from Cousin Glendora, and Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern for our weekly live happy hour, because it's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.